There are a couple of examples of using the private file system in the module that we build in this video, but I wanted to briefly explain the conceptual idea behind the private file system. So the idea is that some websites require protection for certain resources that they want certain members to be able to access, but not others, and these resources are file-based. The first step is putting our files in a location that's not generally accessible. So that can be either outside of the web root, so somewhere on your server that's not in the directory where the website is, or if you're going to have it inside the website, adding a special htaccess file that prevents the world from accessing it. The next step is then delivering those files through a PHP script after performing certain access control checks and looping through that file and outputting it basically just like a file would be read on a site normally, but it's being sort of chunked through a PHP script. Now we'll talk about this a bit more when we look at how file downloads work in the private file system. And also because this routing of a file through a PHP script is pretty resource intensive, I'll show you an Apache module that will allow you to basically serve a file directly from the web server, but after performing certain PHP checks.